Okay, so far you have some color in your app. But if you look at the rest of the elements, such as the information text views along the top and right, and the Tap Me button, they don't stand out so much with this new color scheme. Your challenge is to update the text view to be black and the Tap Me button's background to be a lighter version of the color accent value. Pause the video and see if you can do this.
Okay, let's step through this challenge. Changing the table view's text color is as simple as selecting each text view, switching to the attributes panel, and selecting black from the existing colors for the text color attribute. For the button, select the button and then switch to the attributes panel and find the background attribute. Click the ellipsis to get the resource picker and select the color accent value, but do not click OK. Instead, select Add New Resources New Color Value from the top right. Then give the new value a name such as button color and adjust the selected green value to be a lighter green variant that looks good. Then click OK to save the new resource value and apply it as the background color for the button.